All right, everybody, here we are on Orion at Kings Island in Ohio. This is a roller coaster of the Giga category. And what does that mean to all of you? It means that it stands over 300 feet tall, or just about at 300 feet. But man, this is, wow, that is a tall lift hill. And we are climbing this actually pretty fast for being a 300-foot tall roller coaster. We are already almost at the top. Man, that was, I didn't even have time to be terrified, but I think I'm a little bit terrified. Oh crap, look, oh man, look at this. Oh my, no! Whoa! Oh, that is fast, oh my God! Oh, I don't even have time to scream! Here we go! Whee! Oh! Woohoo! Oh! Ready? Whee! Hello, Eiffel Tower! No! Oh man! I think I might have grayed out just a tiny bit right there. Oh! Oh! I love it! Whee! And here we go! Oh man! Wow, what a crazy ride! Alright guys, here we are doing Banshee over at Kings Island. Again, this is one of my favorite inverted roller coasters. And what does that mean, inverted roller coasters? That means the track is above our head and our feet dangle below us. And this is one awesome ride. It has one of my favorite elements, which is 2 vertical loops. Not just 1 vertical loop, but 2. Oh man, here we go. Oh crap. No! Whee! Oh yeah! Oh, I love it! All right, get ready for it. Vertical loop number 1. Whee! Oh! And oh my God! Zero gravity, rolling like crazy! Oh! Into this like crazy twisted loopy thingy! Oh! All right, guys, get ready. Number 2, loopy loop. Whee! Oh man! Here we go. Slowly we invert around and around and right into the helix. Woo! Oh man! And that is Banshee here at Kings Island.
Guys, This is a restricted area. This is a restricted. Don't go in the restricted. Go in there. Go in there.
Alright guys, so here we are riding the Bat here at Kings Island in Ohio. This is what is considered an Aero suspended coaster. Aero, the manufacturer that made it, suspended coaster because the tracks are above our head and the cars swing, yes, swing below the tracks as they move around the course. Now the Bat kind of has a very interesting history to it, as this was one of those few roller coaster designs when it was originally built in a completely different location of the park. It was a design and a prototype that kind of didn't function as expected and didn't go over well, had a lot of mechanical issues. So they scrapped that ride, and this goes back probably close to 30 years now. I'm sure there's some videos out there on the history of the Bat. But now today, the ride has been completely redesigned, and it reopened originally as Top Gun here at Kings Island. Yes, themed after the movie. But then a few years ago, they decided they were going to pay homage to that original ride that didn't last too many years, and then rethemed this one to the Bat, which was the name of the original ride that didn't last too long. So, oh man, here we are at the top of the lift hill. Oh man, I always get a little bit nervous at the top of lift hills. And we are going to get ready to scream and fly like a bat out of heck. That's right, this is a family channel. We can't curse here. Oh crap, here we go. Oh man, oh, get ready for it. Oh, ho, ho. Whee! Oh man, oh, ho, ho. We're flying like a bat out of heck. Oh, ho, ho. And we're swinging. Whee! We are swinging. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, so much fun. Oh my God. Woo! that is awesome. I love the bat. Classic roller coaster design. Don't have very many of these aero suspended coaster left. So please make sure you ride the bat here at Kings Island in Ohio.
Please keep hands and legs inside the car at all times. Thank you. Welcome to the Beast. Remain seated throughout the entire ride. Please keep hands and legs inside the car at all times. Thank you. Welcome to the Beast. Remain seated throughout the entire ride. Please keep hands and legs inside the car at all times. Thank you.